Closing deals, that's the easy part. And making sure the client gets what we promised, that's a different story.
So, I heard we're delivering Mr. Johnson's 41-foot boat today.
You mean his 41-foot boats?
So yeah, we started using Insightly's project management. Now, as soon as we close an opportunity, it gets converted right into a project, which means that the deal's info, files, and relationship intelligence all carry right over, so everybody knows exactly how to make the customer happy. In fact, the whole post-sale process is organized into stages and milestones, and as a project advances, Insightly notifies the right people of what they need to do, and even automatically sends update emails right to the customer. Meanwhile, managers can keep an eye on where everything stands, and even report on expenses, completion rates, and employee productivity. So now, our orders are delivered on time, on budget, and exactly what the customer ordered, every single time.
I love it!
You mean his 41-foot boats?
We're in trouble.
Uh-oh.